With the campaigning for the first phase of the Lok Sabha polls ending tomorrow, the East Khasi Hills district has maintained highest vigil. Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills Rituraj Ravi said as many as 8 companies of CAPF has been deployed. The police are ensuring no untoward incident takes place. While the instances of sporadic incidents have been taking place in the Shillong parliamentary constituency, the SP said the police are investigating the instances of certain crimes that are reported. The police are keeping an eye to ensure the flow of money can be checked just before the elections.
We are taking out route marches with the help of the companies of CAPF that we have received, and we are ensuring that no untoward incident takes place in the district. So regarding flow of money or checking of vehicles and checking of persons, number one, FST, SST are doing their job. Number two, police nakas are there and they will be there till polling day. Number three, that with the help of CAPF companies, we will be taking route marches, flag marches, and ensuring that overall law and order situation remains peaceful.